In the ever-evolving domain of semantic search optimization, the technical implementation of structured data has matured far beyond the foundational vocabulary of schema.org. As reflected in the year 2026, the disciplines of advanced schema strategy and the adept mastery of JSON-LD have become critical differentiators for brands seeking maximum visibility and control within the knowledge economy. This narrative provides a deep dive into 5 pivotal facets of advanced schema orchestration, elucidating how each component interlocks to form a strategic advantage on the semantic web. The journey commences with a sophisticated approach to communicating context through complex JSON-LD deployments. Historically, fragmented schema tags, merely denoting a product or organization, offered limited informational value. Today, experts leverage the @graph property to encapsulate a comprehensive ecosystem of interconnected entities within a single script. Consider a scenario where an e-commerce article, authored by an industry thought leader, reviews a new product line. Through @graph, the organization, brand, the article, the author, and the product itself are not isolated instances but interwoven narrative threads within the same block of machine-readable code. This holistic context allows search engines to decode the relationships and intent unambiguously, reducing the risk of misinterpretation and elevating the authority of each page. Nesting, as the second strategic pillar, permits the expression of nuanced relationships between entities by structurally embedding one within another. For instance, a review object is not simply tagged and orphaned. It is methodically nested within a product entity, which itself emerges from an offer tied to an organization. By specifying properties such as about, mentions, and author, this architectural nesting communicates topic authority and establishes a clear thematic hierarchy. Search bots now process a story. The brand offers a product, which is reviewed by a credible source in a documented article, each entity reinforcing the other's notability. This methodology transforms superficial annotations into robust semantic signals, marking the content as a comprehensive coverage of its subject matter. The third level of sophistication involves managing entity continuity through the @ID property, a unique uniform resource identifier attributed to each major entity. By consistently referencing the same @ID across multiple pages and sections of a site, practitioners effectively weave a persistent thread throughout the web's broader graph. This approach does more than prevent entity duplication. It cultivates a strong knowledge node recognized across platforms. Advanced strategists also employ @ID links to external canonical sources, such as Wikidata entries or Wikipedia URLs, extending the entity's credibility and contextual relevance throughout the open graph. In practice, a brand CEO profile might incorporate a persistent @ID, which is linked from the About page, press releases, interviews, and even external partnership listings. This meticulous detailing signals to search engines that these references denote the same real-world individual, consolidating their semantic weight. For sites operating at enterprise scale, manual schema management is neither feasible nor efficient. The adoption of Dynamic Schema Injection through Google Tag Manager introduces a resilient and scalable solution. Whenever product listings change, be it price fluctuations, inventory updates, or the appointment of new authors, custom JavaScript variables are engineered to scrape the new information and inject it directly into a pre-built JSON-LD template. The net effect is real-time synchronization between visible content and structured data, achieved without the constant intervention of development teams. As a result, both speed and accuracy of schema delivery are enhanced, underpinning the site's competitive edge and adaptability. Finally, effective schema implementation necessitates a commitment to rigorous validation. While earning a green checkmark from structured data validators historically denoted success, The demands of 2026 require comprehensive audits leveraging the Search Console rich result reports. The forward-thinking practitioner pays attention to every warning, not just outright errors. Fields that the validator marks as recommended, such as price valid until an offers or award mentions in creative works, are not perfunctory. They are potential tiebreakers for featured snippets and AI-generated responses. Addressing these nuanced warnings ensures that the schema is not just valid, but optimized for all possible outcomes. In conclusion, mastering advanced schema strategy with complex JSON-LD is both an art and a science. The orchestration of context, the structuring of entity relationships, the maintenance of knowledge graph continuity, the implementation of dynamic data flows, and the discipline of ongoing validation together mark the difference between ordinary markup and semantic dominance.